Good morning dear students. Welcome to our computer class. In the last video, we discussed few topics in our second chapter, Understanding Windows. In this video, we are going to discuss about the next topic, moving a desktop icon. Do you know how can we move icons on desktop? Let's see how can we do it. Here I am trying to move the icon of this PC. For that, first keep the pointer on that particular icon that you want to move. Then press and hold down the left mouse button while you move icon to the new place. This process is called dragging. Whenever you reach at the new position wherever you want to keep, then what you have to do? Release the mouse button. Then the selected icon will be reached in new position. Like this, by dragging the icons, we can move the icons from one place to another place. Next topic we have to learn is arranging desktop icon. Listen children. Now on this desktop you can see lot of icons are here. The icon of this PC is not arranged properly. Now let's see how can we do the settings of auto arrange icons. For doing that, right click on the blank area of the desktop. You can see here a list of options are here. This is called shortcut menu or context menu. From this shortcut menu, you have to select this view option. Then select auto arrange icons option. Now see, the icon of this PC is automatically arranged properly, isn't it? Next topic is changing desktop background. Many of you know this, isn't it? Let's see how can we change the background picture of desktop. Listen children, now you can see the background picture, 4 squared blue color picture as a background of desktop. Now we are going to change that picture. How can we do it? Listen. First, right click the mouse on blank area. From this shortcut menu, select the personalize option. Select the background option, then you can see here different pictures. Select any one, then you can see the preview of that picture above. Select a particular picture, which one you want. Now you see the desktop background picture is changed. Did you get? Topic we have to learn is changing screensaver. What do you mean by screensaver? Have you heard it? The screensaver is an image which pop-ups on the computer screen whenever a computer remains idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving a mouse, you can get back to the normal screen again. To change the screensaver, you have to right click on the blank area, then select personalize option. Click on the screensaver option. Screensaver settings window will be appear. From that window we can select the particular screensaver like this. To see the preview of the screensaver, you can click here, preview. Now you can see the screen. Can you see the screensaver start to work? Whenever you keep the computer remains idle, this screen will start to work automatically. Click on apply and OK. Now we can't see any difference in the desktop, but the settings what we did in the screensaver, that will start to work automatically whenever we keep the computer idle. Is it clear? Okay, next topic is shut down the computer. What is the procedure to shut down the computer? You all know it, isn't it? What you have to do? Click on the start button, then select shut down option. That's all. Then the computer will be shut down. Dear children, in this video we have learned about moving a desktop icons, arranging desktop icons, changing desktop background, changing screensaver and shut down the computer. In the next video, we will discuss about the question answers of this chapter. Thank you.